Hey guys, I am back for another unboxing video. I am Dr. Kenesha Frazier. I'm a pharmacist by trade and I'm a financial education and holistic wellness consultant by night. So I actually will help people learn to budget and save, and my dad and I have an online course right now called Unchained, How to Break Free from Student Loan Debt, that is currently the next session will be January, towards the end of January, and we'll be taking a new cohort of students of 20 students. So if you are interested in crushing your debt, learning to budget, learning to save, definitely respond in the comments or message me, okay? And so I want to get started quickly with the unboxing. So I couldn't wait to get started, so I kind of already started. I was like, oh, I should do an unboxing video. So the first thing I actually received was some Lacoste jeans. So okay, I apologize if I mispronounce the brand names. I mean, the whole world is not going to fall apart. I mispronounce drug names all the time, and I am still a pharmacist, I promise. So Lacoste jeans, if you can see that there. So I believe, I want to say they're size 50. And I mean, I usually I'm wearing dark jeans right now. I really like darker jeans better. But I mean, these are new with tags, so who am I to complain? And so they even have like the little emblem on the back with their Lacoste symbol on it. So that's usually higher quality, I found out, because like Nicole State always says, she's actually a reseller that makes 6 figures reselling. And she says that, okay, well, if they've taken time to put their emblem or their symbol, let's say, or their name on, let's say, the little tassel on a pair of pants, or like this on the back of the pants, it's usually more high quality. The next item was actually a white pair of jeans. So it's Old Navy. Usually I would not pick up this brand because, you know, since everything's going crazy with the pandemic, and since I'm not bedside with the patients, but I'm in the hospital with the patients still, you know? So it's like, it's real world, real deal for me. You know, this is all like, it's for real, you know? Anyways, so the white jeans, I can't go to the store. I'm at least not comfortable going to the store. So getting boxes from ThredUp and Goodwill are really great avenues to still get inventory for selling on Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, if you're wondering where I sell. So this is a, looks like a creamy white kind of pair of Old Navy pants. I don't know if you can actually see that. Maybe you can't, but I'm sure you guys all know who Old Navy is. But they are also new with tags though. These are 33 by 30 pants. And they do indeed look great, like new pants from the store. And so the tag on here actually is $49.99. And I'm like, Old Navy, when did you start selling jeans for $49.99? I mean, I'm curious, although they feel like really good quality jeans and soft. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna do my best not to get lipstick on them. That would be great. The next one was some black Old Navy slacks. Like, I don't know if they are kids size maybe, because I don't know. Anybody else think they seem kind of short? So maybe it's like a 13-year-old would wear this size. I don't even know if I looked for the size. 30 W, 30 width times 32 long. But they are Calvin Klein. They always say, I don't know if you can see that, but Calvin Klein, man, makes things where I'm like, I put on a suit jacket by Calvin Klein and I'm like, shoot, this thing feels like it's been made for me. Like, you look in the mirror and it fits like a glove. So I bought now tons of Calvin Klein dresses to speak in, tons of Calvin Klein, you know, suit jackets. I'm like, we're in there. Okay, so the next one was these great Reebok joggers. Like, honestly, and see, they look like a kid size for real too. Look how short they are. And I'm thinking, okay, maybe this is like a 12-year-old size, 12-year-old boy, I'm guessing. They are in great condition though. So Reebok, red tassel, and you even, look, I don't know if you can see that, but they even have Reebok on the drawstring. And then Reebok up the side. I'm like, these are in great condition. Zippered on the side there. So I'm like, I could see like a woman or a guy getting these right away, especially during pandemic when all you're doing is you're in like a dress shirt and and joggers. That's the thing now, right? You're just trying to be comfortable when you're working from home all day. Oh, this is nice. Let's see. This is, oh, it's Polo. Polo by Ralph Lauren, large, super soft. And so it's in a gray, it's 100% cotton. Oh, it's really nice. Really like warm, cozy. You can see the little Ralph Polo symbol there. Polo there. So this will sell really well because this is just something, you know, you're out, you know, on a nice Saturday or something, nice fall day, and you just throw this on with a nice pair of, I love like a dark jean on a guy, you know, like this with a dark jean and then like a brown loafer or a brown lace up. Those are really nice on guys. And actually, I don't know, at the bottom, I literally have a large man's shoe in the bottom of the bin. Pilates. I don't know if I've ever heard of this brand before. In size 9.5 US. Interesting. I would have never thought they would send me a shoe. I mean, even though I'm like, of course, they could send me anything because it's a mixed clothing bag. And actually, okay, so I took my glasses off, okay? So I wouldn't have the rings distracting you. So we're gonna hope that I can even see. I'm pretty sure the shoe is brown, right? It looks to be in pretty good condition. Decent leather. I have never heard of the Pilates brand, if that's even how you pronounce it. So I don't know, there's some scuffs on the front of this shoe. I don't know if I can take some little, I bought some Dr. Martin balsam to see if I can maybe I can clean them up. They don't look too worn on the bottom actually. So maybe I can clean them up or have my dad help me clean them up. He's notorious for cleaning up shoes. Really, wow. So, okay, let's move on. Looks like they gave me a bunch of shirts as well. You know, guys, they wear tons of collared shirts. New textural and a triple XL it looks like. This is in a navy blue. I've never heard of this brand, so if you've heard of this brand before, let me know, because I guess I'll have to look up comps for it. Seems to be in pretty good condition, I think. Although that's hard to say. I took off my glasses. So, let's see. Next, oh, Nike Golf Dry Fit. These are usually nice to lot up, I would think, because actually I received a Goodwill box that was a men's box, right? And it actually had a few Nike Dry Fit shirts in there too. This one's like a silver gray. It seems to be in pretty good condition. What size is this? I love that they're sending me larger sizes. That's great. So this is a large actually, which is great. And so the other colors, I think I had a light blue and a light green. So maybe I can, if they're the same size, maybe I can lot them together. Let's see. Oh, hello, Burberry. You know, I had some Burberry glasses, right? That for some reason I thought, oh yeah, I'll buy 2 pairs of glasses. I used to wear glasses all the time, so I'll switch off. Never happened. Never was able to like get them fitted properly for my face. Never wore them. Sat in the drawer for like 3 years, probably 4 years. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put them on Poshmark, see if they sell. The glasses sold in like 3 days for $85. I was like, whoa. Even though, of course, yes, they're probably $300 glasses or more, but they've also been sitting in my drawer for over 4 years, doing nothing, paying me nothing. So Burberry, I'm like, and it seems, it's like a pink, gray, cream, so a few pastel pinks and magenta in there. So Burberry London. So I guess this is probably an acquired color scheme, right? Because not all men like to wear striped shirts even, like even, you know, striped shirts, or not all men wear pink, and not all, you know, everybody just has their things. So, but this is definitely Burberry, so I'm super excited about that. So if you can see that, that's really cool. We are 10 minutes in. This is not going to be forever because I have other things to do. Okay, moving along. Next, Vineyard Vines by Shep and Ian. Classic fit Cooper shirt. Okay, this is another one where the color is like, it's very like summer picnic kind of wear to me. It's like pink, orange, blue. And so once again, the colors may or may not be your thing, or the plaid look may not be your thing, but it seems to be like it's in decent condition. And so I'll have to look up comps because I haven't heard of this brand before. And that's actually the end of this box. So we have another box that's mixed women's. I was trying to mix up things a little bit. So I will see you guys in the next unboxing. Thanks.